Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do an unboxing of the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now as you can tell, I'm not in my regular area that I usually film, but if you guys remember a while ago, I did the iPhone SE unboxing here too, like forever ago, like last year. So we're going to go ahead and box it. Now with the T-Mobile people, they always like take it apart and they always like unpack the packaging, so it's already cut up, so I can't use my sword for this one. So as soon as we unbox it, you can see we have literally nothing up top. The OnePlus logo as well as the kit and everything, and I was able to play with the OnePlus 7 Pro in the store and it was actually pretty interesting. So as you can see, we have this stuff. I really don't think you guys care about this stuff. We have a bunch of stuff in here. Case, which a lot of companies don't even put cases in their things. So, and a lot of other things as well. I'll go ahead and right here, as you can see, we have the phone itself. Let's go ahead and see if it's turned on. No, okay, we'll go ahead and turn on, put it this side. Oh, it seems like it's fully dead. What the heck? Well, regardless, I can definitely tell you in the hand, this thing feels super premium. It does not feel cheap at all. Compared to the Google Pixel 3a, which is a lot cheaper than this one, but granted, but both kind of budget phones in a sense, this thing feels way more premium. This actually feels like an actual flagship phone. Obviously, USB Type-C on the bottom, no headphone jack at all, but it feels very premium. And as far as I know, all the models are 256 gigs, so there's no expandable storage, but 256 gigs is a lot. And this phone cost me about $750 when it's like all said and done, including tax. So that's the phone itself. I also have some additional stuff. So we have a humongous charging block. This thing is massive. So this allows more faster charging. You know, this is like OnePlus's dash charging, all that good stuff. And you have that ability with this thing, so that's so cool. So it kind of makes sense for it to be that big. You also have the charger right here, which is their signature red one. I like this one a lot. It just like blends so well with the phone itself. And this is actually much longer than the one I was expecting before too. It didn't seem like it was that long before. Maybe it's actually the same size as the other one. But this as well as a charger that's super, that in the charger allows you to charge the phone way faster. So ultimately what I can tell you is this unboxing, first impressions, whatever, I think it's a very solid phone. I'm going to compare it to all my other phones as well, the 3A, the 10R, the S10e, all those other phones that are somewhat kind of going for the same exact price tag, as well as the Xiaomi Poco phone. I have one of those still, so those comparisons are coming very soon, so keep a like down on the channel so you guys don't miss those. But that's pretty much the unboxing. First impressions, I like it a lot. It seems pretty premium. And I'm going to go ahead and charge in, kind of mess with it a little bit more, and then I'm going to do the comparisons tomorrow. So keep a like down on the channel so you guys don't miss that. But that is pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or anything, leave it down in the comment section below. Hit that like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. All those links are linked down below. I would really appreciate it if you guys could check it out. But more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.